Last week, a series of earthquakes struck Turkey and Syria, with the two most powerful earthquakes measuring 7.8 and 7.5 on the moment magnitude scale. These earthquakes were a result of the complex tectonic forces that underlie the region. The Anatolian plate, which is moving in a northward direction, is being pushed against the Eurasian plate, which is relatively stable. This collision creates pressure and stress, which eventually lead to the earthquakes. The main fault line that runs through Turkey is known as the North Anatolian Fault, which is one of the longest and most active fault lines in the world. It stretches over 1,500 kilometers from eastern Turkey to the Aegean Sea, and has been responsible for many earthquakes in the region over the centuries. The section that ruptured during the recent earthquakes was the western part of the fault, near the border with Syria. The earthquakes caused significant damage and loss of life. The shaking was felt across a wide area, including the cities of Istanbul and Ankara. In addition to the loss of life, many buildings and infrastructure were severely damaged, including hospitals, schools, and power lines. The region has also experienced numerous aftershocks, which have added to the damage and destruction. The response to the earthquakes has been a joint effort between the Turkish government and international aid organizations. Teams of search and rescue personnel have been working tirelessly to locate survivors, while medical teams have been providing critical care to the injured. Emergency supplies have been distributed to those in need, including food, water, and shelter. The earthquakes serve as a reminder of the significant seismic hazard that exists in the region. The North Anatolian Fault is known to produce earthquakes of magnitude 7 or greater, and there is a constant risk of a devastating earthquake occurring in the future. Efforts are underway to strengthen buildings and infrastructure to make them more resistant to earthquakes, but much work remains to be done.